Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use equations in Solidworks. I will also show a common mistake most users make while creating equations. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this by an example. So here you can see that I am using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to your new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters grams second. So here you can see the equations are not visible. So just right click, go to here, hidden tree items, and go to this option equations and select this one, manage equations. So here you can see a dialog box. We can apply equations in three different types. First is the global variable, second is the feature, and third is the dimension. So basically for global variables, these are common values that you can define once and reuse anywhere in your model. For the features and dimensions, you can link dimensions of features like extrude, fillet, sweep with equations. For the functions, SolidWorks allows basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even formulas. So you can also use equations in the functions. But for this tutorial, I will only focus equations using global variables. So let's make a global variable A, press enter, and I will assign it a value of 1000. Similarly, I will make another global variable B, press enter, and I will assign it a value of 600. Press enter again, and here you can see we have assigned two global variables. Select OK. And now you can see equations tab is appeared in the design tree. And here you can see there are two global variables A and B. Now I will create a rectangle. So go to here sketch and then I will create a center rectangle. Select front plane like this. So I will go to here smart dimension. I will select this line and I will go to here global variable, select this global variable A that we have just created and select OK. And now you can see this dimension is not linked with your global variable, and that's the most mistake most of the users make while using equations. So let's learn how to avoid this mistake while creating equations. I will delete this dimension, go to smart dimension again, select this line, and this time first I will press equal sign, then go to here global variable, select this global variable A, and I will press enter key. Now you can see a summation sign is assigned to this dimension, which means that it is a part of equation. Similarly, go to here smart dimension. I will clear this dimension, press equal sign, go to global variable. This time I will select this global variable B and select enter. Now you can see a global variable has been assigned to this dimension. I will exit this sketch, go to here Weldment, select this one structural member, and I will keep all these settings as it is. Select this line, select this line, and this line, and select OK. Now we will change the values of the global variable, so my structure would also change. I will go to here equation, right click, select this one, manage equations, and I will change this dimension to, let's say, 500, and also I will change this dimension to 300 and select OK. So that's how you can use equations in SolidWorks without mistake. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.